Ready to supercharge your website with SMS superpowers directly from Cpanel. Let's dive into how to install the Messagebird SDK. First, log into Cpanel account and locate the file manager icon. This is where we'll be placing our Messagebird SDK files, so click on it. Now, navigate to your website's root directory, usually public_HTML. Double-click it. Inside, create a new folder to house the Messagebird SDK files like Messagebird. This keeps things organized. Then, open the new folder by double-clicking. Use the upload function in File Manager to upload all the Messagebird SDK files into the Messagebird folder we just created. Ensure you extract any zip files before uploading. Go back to your Cpanel dashboard and search for PHP in the editor or select PHP version. Depending on your Cpanel theme, we need to enable some PHP extensions. Make sure that the Curl and JSON extensions are enabled. These are crucial for the Messagebird SDK to communicate properly. Enable them if they are not already, and save changes. Next, in your PHP application, include the Messagebird SDK files and initialize the Messagebird client using your API key for security. It is ideal to store the API key as an environment variable. And that's it. You've successfully installed the Messagebird SDK. Now you can send SMS messages directly from your website. Thanks for watching.